I want you to notice something. The goal isn't simply higher notes, it isn't singing louder, it isn't strictly more power. Those things may come, but they're not the initial destination. The goal is a voice that's balanced, connected, accessible, reliable, free, confident, and consistent. It's very balanced. When those qualities begin working together, mixed voice stops feeling like something you have to search for. It simply becomes the way you sing. This is exactly why Virtual Voice Coach begins with a voice analysis instead of guessing. I identify your voice trends to first, then recommend exercises designed specifically for what your voice needs, because the fastest path to improvement is using the correct exercise at the correct time for your voice.
Sing for yourself.